In this video, we will learn how to set up Shopify with GoDaddy domain. Firstly, visit shopify.com. Then click Login button. On the next page, you will be asked to enter your login details. Because I am already logged in, I can see the list of my stores. Here you can see my store is listed with xyz.myshopify.com. You can create a store if you don't have one. Choose the right store and click on it. Then on the next page, you need to find Add Domain option, which should be located under Setup Guide. You need to click on it. Then again, you need to click Add Domain button. Here we have two options to buy a new domain or connect existing one. Because we already have a domain from GoDaddy, so we will choose this option, Connect Existing Domain. On the next screen, you need to enter your domain name without HTTP protocol. Now click on Next button. On the next page, you can see it automatically detected that our domain is from GoDaddy. It can detect some popular domain providers. Now we have two options, to connect manually or to connect automatically. If you choose the first option, you need to update the following records in your domain name provider. But we will choose the second option, connect automatically, which is hassle-free and very fast. Once you will click, a screen will pop up which will ask you to log in into your GoDaddy account. I am already logged in. I can see the connect button. You need to click on it. Now our process is successful. You need to close this window and the verification process will start. It will automatically verify the connection, and now we can see a success screen which says that our connection is successful. Currently, our primary domain is this. But we have other options as well. To change the primary domain, you need to click on the following button, Change Primary Domain. Now we can see a list of options. One is without www and the other is with www. You can choose whichever you like. Now let's visit our website. You can see that we have SSL pending. This might be a problem for a short time and it should disappear for after 24 hours because SSL is automatically provided by Shopify for free. So you don't need to worry about that. This problem will disappear after 24 hours. Now, after visiting our website, we are still seeing that the error which says that SSL is not secure, and this option will disappear after 24 hours. Make sure to subscribe.